का फर्स्ट बैटालियन नेशनल डिजास्टर रेस्पॉन्स फोर्स NDRF गुवाहाटी रिंकट के जिंगा त्रेलंग का डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी DDMA वेस्ट जाइंट हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिंकट की वेक तना त्रेकम सरकार हा का आर्पन्यो तरिक नाइtung kila penlong ya ka program pensungut ho halor kila chingada bat kila chingaram banyaram ikilanon ladakan jia shisha ka jingjia shatlen shop haki bo armaryang ya kanika program la penlong hakiang nang ba government college juai ka balawan ngi shimbenta da ki samla puli kenthop ya ki volunteer jongka NSS ki Bharat Scouts and Guides ki cadet jongka NCC bat ki officer sarkar na ki tanat repair ban ken tiu ya ki jingtep halor ki jingma ka jingpen kre bat ka jinga trilang ha kapor bajia ki jingjia shatlan sham Uma Dari Mi Lingdo, District Disaster Management Officer Juwai, ha ka jingkren ula pentip baya ka nika program hapo ka district las dang na do menshem tayo. Da ka jingtmu ban ra e ki jingsngot ho ha ki samla puli bat kinong tre sorkar. Halor ka rukam penyany bat kilan ay jingarap ha bajia shisha ki jingja shatlan jam. Ulay ho ru baya ki jingalang pensngot ho lada ban penlong ha ki school bat ki jaka ha keleng ka Juwai. Kat ba kum kanika program ondang bateng ban petlong ha amnaram that lasken but lasken block ha kinik arsingi banwan
This program is about organization on disaster management, which have been requested from the side of the NDRF, and from our side we are collaborating with them and the different line departments for this program. And in fact, this program started last week on the 21st and will end on the 30th this month. So in today's program, we have here the LSS, Bharat Scouts and Guides, and then NCC, students and government functionaries from different departments in the district, representing all the departments in the district for information of the NDRF. So the main objective of this program, like I said, we started this program last week, and we have covered different schools and localities within Juwai and within different blocks of the district. So for tomorrow's day after tomorrow and Thursday, we will be covering Amara block, Laskai block, and Kalaskai block. So in today's program, the objective of this program is to make the students as well as the government functionaries aware on disaster management. Of course, in fact, this is not the first program which we are conducting for all of you, but as we all know, our district or our state or our region, non-eastern region.
Now the best one example is any kind of pandemic. Pandemic also is a natural disaster, but when it's caused by the human error. That is the best example is Corona. Okay, we have all survival of Corona. सभी ने कोरोना को survive किया है. So that is also the kind of man-made disaster or a pandemic that is caused by the naturally. Okay, so these are kind of disaster, type of disaster. All are the example of disaster. Okay, so then please tell me the biggest disaster you have seen in past years. Can you give some example? Any kind of cardiac arrest, that is the heart attack के symptoms के आधार पे हम इसको सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Because if there is a person found unconscious ground after 7 to 8 minutes, the brain cells come going to dead. क्या होता है जब उसको ऑक्सीजन और फ्रेश ब्लड नहीं जाएगा ब्रेन को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. हमारा जो लास्ट फिक्स है इसको टच करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ को आएंगे. We have found there the triangular shape bone. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा आपको एक triangular shape की bone मिलेगी. सभी टच किए सेंटर में मिला. आप उसको प्रेस करेंगे तो अंदर की तरफ जाएगा. है ना, प्रेस करने से अंदर जा रहा है. ये that is called the Jayfried process. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने मास्टर हैंड की इंडेक्स फिंगर को प्रेस करना है. आपका जो भी मास्टर हैंड. Okay,